For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Voting for Singapore's general election is being held amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Thousands of Singaporeans lined up at voting centres under strict restrictions to ensure social distancing. Elderly citizens have priority to vote in the morning, while others are given suggested 2-hour time slots to cast their votes in order to reduce crowding. 8 a.m. to noon slots are reserved for senior voters aged 65 and above to minimize their interaction with young voters. A special voting hour for those who are sick or serving stay-home notice at home will take place between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Local analysts were of the opinion that the ruling People's Action Party or PAP will comfortably extend its 61-year rule of Singapore. Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong called the election on June 24th, calling for clear mandate during COVID-19 pandemic.
An election now, when things are relatively stable, will clear the decks and give the new government a fresh, full 5-year mandate. It can then focus on this national agenda and the difficult decisions it will have to make and to carry.
There are 2.65 million voters registered to vote in 1,100 polling stations across the island nation. Voters will choose 93 MPs in 17 group representation constituencies meant to ensure multiracial representation in the Parliament of Singapore. Total turnout stood at over 93% in the past two general elections. Voters will have their temperature taken upon entry, and those with a temperature of above 37.5 degrees Celsius will not be allowed in. The election department has also devised a touch-free registration process. Before entering the polling booths, voters will be asked to sanitize their hands and wear disposable gloves. The 6,570 registered overseas voters can do so in polling stations in 10 cities around the world. South Korea and Mongolia held major elections with abundant preventive measures amid the pandemic recently. Singapore has been one of the worst-hit countries in the Asia-Pacific region with more than 45,000 cases. In terms of per capita COVID cases, Singapore now ranks among the world's worst affected countries. However, Singapore has one of the lowest COVID-19 fatality rates in the world.